Looking for the best bird nests? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 bird nests the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, S-Mechanic Eco-Friendly Bird's Nest. Sturdy nest that's made of natural, eco-friendly grass. Provides protection from predators and privacy for nesting. Can be placed outdoors for nesting birds or used in cages for pet birds. A large nest that's suitable for wild and pet birds. Grass can become unwoven, and birds can get tangled in it and injured as a result. Larger than it appears online. At number 2. Orgrimmar Handmade Woven Flat Base Bird Nests. Handmade with natural woven material. Can be used to attract outdoor birds or for indoor pets. Most birds like the round structure and roomy interior. Come in pack of 2 nests. An inexpensive pair of large nests for indoor or outdoor use. Not ideal for larger birds, as these lightweight nests tip easily when too much weight is on the rim. At number 1. FOIBURELY Bird Nest with Felt. Durable frame with a felt pad that's soft and warm. Great for pet birds like canaries and finches. Installs in a bird cage in minutes. Doubles as a perch when not being used for egg laying. This well-made bird nest provides a soft, stable spot for your feathered friend to nest or perch. Nest has a chemical smell when it's new. Not the best choice for wild birds. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.